vicious.
No matter what you drive, remember, burn rubber,
Love for the streets, baby. Out here in Vegas, all the way from LA, showing love to Vegas, dog. You already know. That's what it is. RUST2REALITY, baby. That's right, shout out to RUST2REALITY. Thank you guys for the hospitality out here. You already know. Here looking at everything, y'all, so we're gonna film a little bit of everything, from some bigger wheels to some little wheels, meaning little wheels meaning hydraulics, low riders, you know how we get down. 13.7. Everything on the West Coast, yeah, 13.7s, you know, hoppers, everything. So right here we're looking at a Lincoln. This Lincoln right here don't have no switches, but he got the big wheels with the bulbs on it. Come on with it, man. What's up, my guy? How you doing, man? Rollers only. Don't say your shit. Yeah. Out here representing. What's your club? You know, Rollers Only, Las Vegas. That's right, Las Vegas. Got a Vegas rider. Yep. We needed that. That's the president right there. That's his car, the Cadillac. Okay. So, you definitely gonna go over it right now. Well, y'all take care. I'll see you later. For sure. Why you didn't bring your dog? Man, I don't know, man. He said it's the president. Definitely got some nice patterns. Hit it with a different twist with the wrap dash. I ain't think I ever seen that before. For the strip. That's different. Hella different. Repping when you go out of town? Yeah. These things filled with patterns. Coming up on another Lincoln, cut out, Caddy. Caddy got the Astros on it, the Supreme, Astro Supreme. Here's a glass house. He say, fuck Trump. '72. Big old glass house. I love these, man. I actually drove this to barber school. It broke down on me, but a diesel came and hit it. Blessed me with something else, so now I'm a barber. But I love this glass house. Cat up out of here, man, building up out of Vegas. He builds some of the best Harleys that I know of, that I've been seeing. He's really, really good. I didn't even know he had a lowrider, so that's even better. So with the engine sticking out the hood. Right. Yeah, got that blower up under there. You got that blower, huh? That blower up under there. So who are you, and you got a shop in town? Yeah, it's called Team Bang Customs. I'm on Rancho and Cheyenne. Look me up, #Team Bang. That's the blue one with the patterns on it, right? The blue bike with the turbo on it. Turbo. Fastest bike in Vegas. Ooh wee. And I'll back it up. Harley with a turbo. I like the fact that he said, I'll back it up. buddy.
LV Roth, putting Vegas on the map.
Yes, sir.
That's what we do. Already.
So it's a 1939 Chevy Master Deluxe. It was built the way it is right here about 15 years ago.
Okay.
The only thing different I did to it is I just put the rims on it.
So it was lowered and everything. It had all the etching done.
Yeah, all the engraving, the murals, paint job, pinstriping, all done 15 years ago.
Wow.
It's been garage kept its entire life.
That's crazy that you're still getting invites to be in magazines
know,
and
yeah.
covers and stuff. Now, if you were to build this yourself, what would you change on it?
I wouldn't change anything about it, man. It was perfect car.
Perfect color. Right.
I love it. I love it. 71, bro. 71 rag. SS Goose.
For sale, come get it, man.
Oh man, I already got one, man, but I like it. I'm gonna compliment it, right? Oh, you know what? But yeah, what's the ticket? Huh? What's the ticket? 55. 55. Going for that 55 racks on that thing, man.
55, come get it.
Yes, sir. That thing nice. Nice 61. Another Vegas built truck. I really, was that 60 or 62 in there? 60? 60. 60 in there. Well, it gotta be bagged, right?
It is.
Yeah, gotta be bagged.
All tubular, all done. Frame off.
Frame off.
Amen. Amen.
In whatever clothes I feel like wearing.
Right. Amen.
Yeah.
That's so cool. And
Yeah.
how do they find you? And who are you? And
My name is Persian Skater.
man, the myth, the legend. What's happening?
What's going on?
Oh, you know, just enjoying God's blessing.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I dropped a little something in on you.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, good. I got something for you too then.
Yeah, I put it over there in the car, so Lenny will know who it is when you flip it over.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I gotta put this right on.
He got to that bumper. About to come out, do they?
Yeah, you know, 6'4" coming real soon. Watch this.
Already.
Watch this. Okay. RUST2REALITY, man. Fuck with them.